5 simple English words can transform the way you speak.
Which 5?
Get, make, take, do, and go.
I know all of them.
Knowing them is easy. Using them naturally is the real challenge.
Let's learn how.
Number 1, get. Get equals receive. Sarah, imagine you're sitting at home. Your phone makes a sound. You look at it and see a message from your friend. What do you say?
I received a message from my friend.
That's correct English, but in everyday conversation, there's a much more natural way.
I got a message from my friend.
Exactly.
So got means received.
Right. Listen to this conversation.
Okay.
Did you get my message?
Yes, I got it.
Perfect. Another example. Did you get the email I sent you?
Yes, I got your email this morning.
Excellent. So when something comes to you, a message, email, letter, gift, you can often use get. Remember, get a message, get an email, get a call, get a gift. Get equals buy. Now let's change the situation. Imagine you're at home and you open the refrigerator.
Okay.
There's no milk. What do you tell your mother?
We need to buy some milk.
Good, but in everyday conversation, you can say we need to get some milk.
So get can mean buy.
Exactly. Imagine your friend calls you. I'm going to the supermarket. Do you need anything?
Yes, can you get me some bread?
Perfect. Another example.
I'm going to the mall. I need to get a new pair of shoes.
Excellent. So get some milk, get some food, get a new phone, get some clothes. These can all mean buy or obtain something. Get equals become. Now this one is really important. Imagine you're sitting outside. At first, the weather's comfortable. Then the temperature starts dropping. What can you say?
It's becoming cold.
Correct. But native speakers very often say it's getting cold.
Oh.
Exactly. Another example. You're working all day. It's 8 p.m. How do you feel?
I'm becoming tired.
You could say that, but a natural conversation would be, I'm getting tired.
So get can describe a change.
Exactly. Something changes from one condition to another. Get tired, get hungry, get angry, get nervous, get sick, get better, get worse.
Can I make one?
Of course.
I'm getting hungry.
Perfect.
And my English is getting better.
Excellent. Get equals arrive. Now imagine you finish work at 6. You arrive home at 6:30. Your friend calls you. She asks, what time did you arrive home? That's correct. But what would we normally say in casual English?
What time did you get home?
Exactly.
So get home means arrive home.
Right. For example, I got home at 7. And what time did you get to work?
Can I say I got to the restaurant at 8?
Absolutely. Get equals understand. Now imagine I'm explaining something to you. You look confused. I ask, do you understand? What could you say?
Yes, I understand.
Correct. But in casual English, yeah, I get it.
Oh, I hear people say that all the time.
Exactly. For example, do you get what I'm saying?
Yes, I get it now.
Perfect. Or, sorry, I don't get it. That means I don't understand.
That's really useful.
And that's the point. Don't just learn get equals receive. Learn I get it, I don't get it, do you get it? Number 2, make. Ready for our second word?
Make.
Good. Let's imagine it's dinner time. You go into the kitchen. Your family asks, what's for dinner? You say,
I make dinner.
almost. If you're talking about tonight and you're preparing it now, say, I'm making dinner.
I'm making dinner.
Perfect. So make can mean create or prepare something.
Like make a cake.
Exactly. She made a cake for my birthday. Another example. I'm going to make some coffee.
I make coffee every morning.
Excellent. Make equals cause. Now imagine you watch a really funny movie. You laugh a lot. What can you say?
The movie makes me happy.
Perfect.
So make can cause a feeling.
Exactly. Listen, you make me happy. This music makes me feel relaxed.
Can I say, my little brother makes me angry?
You certainly can.
He really does.
Then you have a perfect example. Make equals create a plan or decision. Imagine you and your friend are going on vacation. You need to decide where you're going. What do you need?
We need a plan.
Right. And what verb do we use?
Make.
Exactly. Let's make a plan. Another example. I need to make a decision.
Can I say, I made a decision yesterday?
Perfect.
I made a decision yesterday. I'm going to learn English every day.
That's an excellent decision. Make equals earn money. Now imagine someone asks you, how much money do you make? What does that mean?
How much money do you earn?
Exactly. For example, he makes a lot of money. Or she makes enough money to support her family.
So make money means earn money.
Exactly. Make equals mistake. And here's one phrase every English learner needs.
I think I know it.
Go ahead.
Make a mistake.
Exactly. I made a mistake. Everyone makes mistakes.
So we don't say do a mistake.
Correct. Excellent, Sarah. Do a mistake. Use make a mistake. Number 3, take. Now let's move to take. Imagine you're going to work. You don't have a car. What do you use?
I take the bus.
Perfect. I take the bus to work every day. Another example. We took a taxi to the airport.
So take can be used with transportation.
Exactly. Take equals need time. Now, Sarah, how long does it take you to get to work?
It takes about 30 minutes.
Excellent. That's one of the most useful patterns. It takes plus time. For example, it takes 10 minutes to walk there. And it took me 2 hours to finish my homework.
So I can say it takes me 1 hour to get to work.
Perfect. Take equals activities. Now, imagine you wake up in the morning. What do you do first?
I take a shower.
Exactly. And later, maybe you need a little rest.
I take a break.
Perfect. Other common examples, take a shower, take a break, take a seat, take a look. Take equals photo. You're traveling with your friend. You see a beautiful view. What do you ask your friend?
Can you take a picture of me?
Perfect. Or, she took a photo of the sunset.
That's very easy to remember.
Good. That's what we want. Number 4, do. Now, let's talk about do. Sarah, what are you doing right now?
I'm learning English.
Good. But what if I ask, what do you do? What am I asking?
Maybe what is your job?
Exactly.
Oh, that's confusing.
It can be. What are you doing means what activity are you doing now, but what do you do usually asks about your job or occupation.
So if someone asks me, what do you do? I can say, I'm a teacher.
Exactly. Do equals task. Now imagine your mother asks, did you finish your homework? You say,
Yes, I did my homework.
perfect. Another example, I have to do the dishes.
I don't like doing the dishes.
Neither do I.
So do is often used for tasks.
Exactly. Do equals exercise. What do you do to stay healthy?
I do exercise.
Good. Another natural way is I exercise every morning, but you can also say I do some exercise every morning.
I do some exercise every morning.
Excellent. Do your best. Imagine you're nervous before an English exam. Your friend wants to encourage you. What can she say?
Do your best.
Exactly. Just do your best. And I'll do my best.
I'll do my best to speak English every day.
Excellent sentence. Number 5, go. And finally, our 5th word, go. Sarah, where are you going after this podcast?
I'm going home.
Perfect. That's the basic use. Go plus place. For example, I'm going to work. She's going to school. Go equals leave. Now, imagine it's 11 p.m. You're at your friend's house. You look at the clock. What might you say?
I have to go.
Exactly. Here, go simply means leave. Another example. It's getting late. We should go.
So I don't need to say leave.
You can, but go is very natural. Go plus ing equals activity. Now let's talk about a very useful pattern. Go plus ing. For example, what do people do at the mall?
Go shopping.
Exactly. What about a swimming pool?
Go swimming.
And in a park?
Go walking.
Excellent. Listen to these. We went shopping yesterday. Let's go swimming this weekend. Go equals how something happens. Now, here's an interesting use. Imagine you have an important meeting. Afterward, your friend asks, how did the meeting go? What does she mean?
How was the meeting?
Exactly. You could say, it went really well, or it went badly.
So, go can describe how something happens.
Exactly. For example, how did your interview go? It went great.
That's very useful. Final review.
Okay, Sarah, you've learned 5 words.
Get, make, take, do, and go.
Let's see if you remember them. I'll give you a situation, you complete the sentence.
Okay.
Situation 1. Your friend sent you a message. Your message.
I got your message.
Perfect. Situation 2. You prepared dinner. Dinner.
I made dinner.
Excellent. Situation 3. You travel to work by bus. The bus to work.
I take the bus to work.
Perfect. Situation 4. You have homework. I need to do my homework.
I need to do my homework.
Excellent. Situation 5. You're leaving the house. I have to go now.
I have to go now.
Perfect. The big lesson.
I think I understand something now.
What?
So these words are simple, but they're everywhere.
Exactly.
And I shouldn't just memorize the dictionary meaning.
That's the biggest lesson.
I should learn the phrases.
Yes. Don't just memorize get equals receive. Learn get a message, get home, get tired, get better. Don't just memorize make equals create. Learn make a mistake, make a decision, make money. Don't just memorize take equals carry. Learn take a shower, take a break, take a picture. And do the same with do and go.
So when I hear native speakers, I'll recognize these phrases faster.
Exactly. And when you speak, the phrases will come to your mind faster too.
Because I'm learning English in chunks instead of translating every word.
Perfect. And that's exactly how I want you to practice.
One word,
Many situations.
many phrases.
And lots of speaking.
I like that.
Good. Then don't just listen to this podcast.
Practice it.
Take one phrase from today's lesson,
And make your own sentence.
say it out loud.
And use it in your real life.
Because the goal isn't just to know English.
The goal is to use English.
Exactly.